What's up, viewers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. I hope you have liked the ZX10RR bike ride. I think that was a couple of uploads back. And anyways guys, today we are going to get the panniers. Finally, I'm going to Bike and Biker. That's where I got most of my accessories from. Actually, I got a few from Big Bad Bikes, few from Bike and Biker, few from Moto Performance Store. So not one particular store as such. So got it from different stores. I got my riding jacket in one store and riding pants in another store. So that way we are giving business to almost all the bike accessories shops. So today we are going to go get the GB panniers. I'll show you what color we are getting, what sizes we are getting. There's different combinations which are available there, so we'll see which ones they have in stock. So we are near Southern Circle now, so it's another 5-10 kilometers, sorry, 5-10 minutes away from here, that's all. I've spent so much on the accessories. It's like every 1 or 2 months I feel like getting a different accessory for the bike. I go and get it. I think I've spent close to, sorry, I'll not reveal the exact amount, but I've spent a lot, guys. The bike was around 15 lakhs or something, and accessories are also, my god, they're so damn expensive. The top boxes exact price, and not the top box, I've already got the top box, that was around 50,000. So these side boxes, I already have the GB racks, so I have to get the GB boxes, or else I have to change my, there's a small issue actually. So once I go there, I'll tell you, or once I get the boxes back to my house, I'll tell you what the exact issue is. So that is Bike and Biker. So we can see there were lots of bikes before. We have a Royal Enfield Himalayan in this pine green color. So let's go and see what they have new. So guys, this is the Bike and Biker store. So these are the bark busters, the ones which I got on the bike, the handlebar protectors. They have so many things here, and I think I've got almost everything for the bike. So this is the ultimate add-ons case. This is the one which I'm using for my bike as the GPS mount. Oh, they have a separate iPhone 6, 7, 8 Plus, 10R, 11, 10s. They have an S10. If they have an S10 Plus case, then maybe. Oh, they do have an S10 Plus case also. Okay, this is 3799. Okay, let's. I anyway have the one. So they have 10s. Okay. When I got the XL version, these weren't there. So this is for the phone mounts, and they have a RAM section also. And these are all the top boxes. So the one which I'm planning to get is this one, the GB Outback Trekker. But the only problem is I have the SW Motec top box. That particular one is in there, but something similar to this. So that's a different brand. GB is a different brand, so I'll have to carry two different keys. I could have got the Outback Trekker top box, but they didn't have it in stock when I got the SW Motec. So that's why I'm thinking if I should change the racks and get the SW Motec ones. They have those also here. So this is the SW Motec, aluminium, in brushed aluminium and black aluminium. Both are aluminium cases. Maybe if I get this, I'll have the complete set. I anyway have the SW Motec tank bag also. So If I get the side cases, it will be like a complete set. So let's see. But again, I'll have to pay for the racks, and I'll have to sell my GV racks to someone for a lesser price, and all that is there. And we can get some. There are some soft luggage options also, like these ones. These are semi-rigid cases, but I'm considering safety wise, I think these do much better job because they'll have the lock. So once you log it in, no one can access it. But whereas these, someone can just put a knife through it and they can easily open it. And here guys, before the store wasn't like this. Now they have renovated everything and it looks super cool. They recently had these people here. They had a small meetup with these guys. They have even signed here, ride carefree, ride hard, ride long. These are the boxes. Finally they look, and I decided to go with the GV boxes. It's okay, I'll carry 3 sets of keys, one for the bike, one for these boxes and one for the top box, because I don't want to spend another 20,000 for getting the new racks and all that. I'll just have 3 sets of keys, it's fine. So this is the bigger one, because on one side the exhaust is going to be there. So this is the smaller one, 37 liters, and this is the 45 liters. Yeah, 37, 45. Look at this. They're quite heavy, so we have to do a few practice rides before we can load up anything. Pratik, this is 45, right?
48.
48.
37, 48.
Okay, sorry. This is 37 and this is 48 liters. The price is 70?
76.
Okay, the price is 76,500. Sorry. Okay. So that's it. We are just gonna buy these. We'll put it in the car, and then once we go back home, we'll install it on the bike and see how it looks. So guys, there's Srijit. We are searching for the keys, and hi Srijit. He is the one who's telling me all this. He wants me to buy this a fuel can, a 2.5 liter. But this can is 1,500. The mounting for the can is 8,500 rupees. So I'm thinking if I should just get the can suitable for water, fuel and oil. So if we buy 2, we can have 5 liters of fuel and we can stack it up like this. We can have 2. So we'll see. We're still searching for the keys here. So once we get the key, we'll open this and see how big it is, and if we can fit these 2, we'll get 2 2.5 liters, so that should be 5 liters of fuel. And after that, let's leave. It's already been an hour since I've come here. Oh yeah, they also have this Desert Fox. It's a 3 liter fuel carrying thing. Other keys,
all each box comes with 2 keys.
But same alva eradukku. Oh, nice. So
Plus, other whatever I will give you one more set of keys for the top key.
So ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎರಡು, or like this also.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಹಾಂ,
if you put it from there.
ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬದಲು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ, ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸರಿ, ಇದೆರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. Guys, just look at the size of this box. Massive. Okay. Oh my god.
Super.
ಸರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಫುಲ್. One set. This is one set. 2 panniers, right? So we have 2 sets of keys, but both are same. So we'll just have this one. This is the invoice, and let me show you one thing first. Here, I usually keep my key here. So the thing I was talking to you about earlier was this. This is the BMW's key. This is the top box's key, and now I'll have another one here. It's okay if I have 3 keys. People are carrying luggage with much more difficulty using bungee cords and all that. I cannot complain about carrying one extra key, so it's fine, not an issue.